These Iris USA 32-quart storage bins are some of my favorites. They are very rugged. I like that they're cool, like black color. For me, I use these for certain parts of our projects. And this way, I know what's in them. These are for our bottles and our solvents and our things that we're going to be want to keep out of the sun typically. Usually keep these things towards the bottom of the cabinets as well. These have a super strong lid. It's a good design, even though it's not a lot of plastic involved. It's a really strong design, the structure. And the lid has no moving parts. It's just one piece. The container itself has these locks as part of the handles, so it's real easy to carry these even when there's a lot of weight in them. And when they lock, it's nice and secure. And they look sharp. They stack, and like I say, they're great for us. We use them for heavy liquids, things like cleaning supplies, things that we don't necessarily want to see, but we want to have available and contained. These come 4 in a unit, and they're made in the USA. Hope this helps.